In this video, I'm going to show you how to create button links to multiple Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. From here, we will open two Google Sheets. The first is our primary sheet, and the second is the sheet that we want to link. Let's go back to the primary sheet. Here, we have to create a button. Click on Insert, then Drawing. From here, click on Shapes. Let's select this one. Double-click on the shape to add text. Type your text. I will type button, for example. Click on Save and Close. Place the button according to your liking. In the button, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down, click on Assign Script. I will type PC. This is just a code to recognize the shape. Click on OK. In the title bar, click on Extensions. In the drop-down, click on Apps Script. Here, we have to write a code. I have a code already copied to the clipboard. So I will delete the existing code and paste my code. I will add the code to the description. Here, we have to make some changes. Change the Go To part of the button code. In my case, it was PC. Now go to the sheet that you want to link. Copy the address of the sheet. Paste the link address here. Now change name to your button name. In my case, it was Button. Click on the Save icon. Now close both of the pages. In the primary sheet, click on the button. If you are using the button for the first time, it will ask for authorization. Click on OK. Select your account. Click on Advanced. Click on Go to Untitled Project. Click on Allow. In the address bar, click on the pop-up blocker. Select the link and click on Done. Now, if I click on the button again, you can see that it takes me to the page that I linked.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.